What if your broke mindset is the only problem? I was broke, not just low on money, broke in my head, and it cost me years. What if your broke mindset is the only problem? What if it is not your job? What if it is not your bank account? What if it is how you think? I met a man who changed everything. He was a millionaire. He looked at me and said one sentence. That sentence broke me. Then it rebuilt me. In 24 hours, my thinking shifted. Not magic, not luck, money psychology. The way rich people see money. The way broke people do not. Stay with me. This is the first 30 seconds. The next 9 minutes will change you. 3 years ago, I had nothing. I worked long hours. I saved every dollar. I still felt poor. Every bill made me scared. Every friend talking about money made me mad. I thought rich people were lucky. I thought money was hard. I blamed the economy. I blamed my boss. I blamed everyone but me. Then I met David. David owned 3 businesses. He drove an old truck. He wore simple clothes. But he was free. I asked him why. He said, "You think like a broke man." That hurt. He said, "Broke people chase money. Rich people build systems." He offered to teach me. For 24 hours only. I said yes. That decision changed my life. Lesson 1. Money is not the goal. Money is a tool. Broke mindset says get money. Rich mindset says solve problems. David showed me his notebook. Every page was a problem, not a wish list. Problems he could fix for people. He said people pay to remove pain. So find pain, then remove it. That is money psychology. Stop asking how to get rich. Start asking who needs help. When you help people win, money follows you. It is not about taking. It is about giving value first. In 24 hours, write 10 problems. Real problems you see every day. Pick one. Think how to solve it. That shift alone makes you rich in thinking. Lesson 2. Rich people think in assets. Broke people think in expenses. David took me to a coffee shop. He bought 1 coffee. I bought 3 snacks. He said, "Watch." He opened his phone. He showed me a website he owns. It makes money while he sleeps. He said this coffee paid for itself. Mine did not. That hit me hard. Millionaire mindset asks one question. Will this make me money later? If no, skip it. If yes, buy it. Assets are things that pay you. Expenses are things you pay. In 24 hours, list your last 10 purchases. Mark A for asset. Mark E for expense. If you have mostly E, you are training your brain to stay broke. Change the training. Start buying assets, even small ones. Lesson 3. Rich people delay reward. Broke people want reward now. David had a rule. 24-hour rule. Before buying anything over $50, wait 24 hours. During that time, ask 3 questions. Does this make money? Does this save time? Does this grow my skills? If no to all 3, do not buy. That habit saved him thousands. It also built discipline. Discipline is a rich habit. Broke mindset wants comfort now. Rich mindset builds comfort later. In 24 hours, try this. Pick one urge to buy. Wait. Write why you want it. Most times the urge dies. You keep the money. You keep the power. That is how rich people think. Slow, calm, intentional, not emotional, not rushed. Let me tell you about Mike. Mike was a janitor. He made $15 an hour. He felt stuck. He learned these 3 lessons. He stopped chasing money. He started fixing problems. He noticed offices had messy files. He offered to organize them at night. He charged $200 per office. He used the asset rule. He bought a scanner. The scanner made him money. He used the 24-hour rule. He did not buy a new TV. He bought a course on sales. In 12 months, Mike had 4 clients. He quit his job. He now runs a small company. Same man, different mindset. Money psychology changed him. Not a lottery, not an inheritance, just thinking like a rich man for 24 hours, then repeating it. That is all it takes to start. You heard the 3 lessons. 1. Solve problems. 2. Buy assets. 3. Delay reward. Now you have a choice. You can close this video and think the same tomorrow, or you can try this for 24 hours. Pick one problem. Pick one asset. Wait 24 hours before one purchase. Comment below your situation. What is the biggest problem you see? I read every comment. If this helped you, subscribe for more money psychology. No hype, no lies, just what worked for me and what worked for millionaires I met. Your mindset is your money. Fix it in 24 hours. Start now.